Hi everyone, here we have the virtual school consultant project. This is a proposal for the XYZ school district. The content that I'm about to show you provides a brief insight of necessary steps that should be followed. The foundation of the school. The foundation approach that will be in place at the XYZ school district follow a traditional face-to-face year calendar school schedule. The foundation of the school not only meets the traditional needs of a classroom, but hopes to exceed the classroom expectation by having the following. 180-day of school year with quarters of 45 days each, 24/7 access to curriculum, certified professional educators. Students will be expected to spend 20 to 25 hours online completing schoolwork through the week. Access to teachers via email, counselors through the school work week, and some hours during the weekend if needed. Our foundation will also include technical directors and curriculum directors. Teacher evaluation. Teachers will undergo a yearly teacher evaluation to ensure that they are meeting the standards of the XYZ school district. Educators will have a periodic one-on-one discussion with the principal of their evaluation and give additional professional development training to enhance their teaching skills throughout the academic school year. Attendance and behavior policy. At the XYZ school district, we track students' attendance when the students log in daily with the computer online software. This software timestamps the student's login time and calculates the student's overall online time throughout the day. If students fail to log into class and fall behind, disciplinary actions will and can be taken as required. All staff members are required to report any suspicion of misconduct of any kind to the principal immediately. Administrators at the XYZ school district shall issue disciplinary action to the students as needed, which can consist of, but not limited to, suspension from online classwork to potential expulsion from the school. This is just a brief outline of our uh, proposal for the XYZ school district. Thank you.